this video, we're going to do country two-step, and we call it a hammerlock with a walk under.
Okay,
Looks
we'll show you what it looks like. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow.
Okay, we'll go the other direction. Same exact thing. Here we go.
Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. Okay. Dick, you want to explain some of it?
Sure. So what I'm going to do from my basic is I'm going to lead a double prep to an outside turn. So I do a basic, slow, slow, quick, quick. Prep away, prep back with a patted cake. She goes around, quick, quick, I stay in open. Duplicate the same thing. Punch left, back left, then quick, quick, slow. I stayed with both hands to the hammerlock. Now I go quick, quick, slow, raise the hand, walk under, quick, quick, slow, slow.
That's okay, go ahead.
Then I prep it inside turn and back to close.
It's hard to do it slow
So
with the timing.
we'll do it again. So it's slow, slow, quick, quick, prep slow, slow, quick, quick, prep slow, and a kick, quick, quick, slow, slow, walk it under, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, basic, slow, quick, quick, prep to spin, quick, quick, slow, back to close.
All right, so that's what we taught in our Tuesday class. Thanks for being there. See you later. Bye-bye.